Grand Rising, my beautiful collective. You know, I just finished meditation today, and this message or this song straight away came to mind. You know, Notorious by Biggie Smalls. May he rest in peace always. You know, notorious. And then I thought about it. See, you have always been notoriously victorious, all right? See, you are so famous in the spirit realm, all right, that you have become infamously victorious. Take that leap of faith. Remember, your addictions are addicted to you. You are not addicted to anything.